Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon. And let me first of all remove the picture. So this is what you will see after opening the contact which you do not have customized yet. So all we have to do is to tap on the circle or the option to add the picture, and here we've got some sections from which we can choose the photos. Here we've got the illustrations which are provided by Google, so of course you can pick something. Here we've got Google Photos, which is your gallery, device photos, and here we've got two different options, the gallery again and the camera. So after tapping on this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. So let me pick something from the gallery, let me find the photo and tap on it. And as you can see here in this step, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area, this highlighted circle, is responsible for it. So let's simply tap on choose, and as you can see the photo will immediately appear right here. So if you're happy with the results, tap on save. And as you can see, this is how our contact actually will look like. Of course, you can see the photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.